Hello guys, how are you? Today I'll show you how you can uninstall apps on your iPhone. If you iPhone user, then you can stay with me, and otherwise you can ignore this video. So let's start. So first of all, you choose which one you want to uninstall from your device. So you can choose any apps as you want, like uninstall. So you can just look which one apps you want to uninstall. So I want to uninstall like my Airtel. So if I just tap here and hold few seconds, then showing some option, edit home screen, share apps and remove apps. So if you want to uninstall, then you can just tap here, remove apps. Now showing like pop-up and need to confirmation. So here is showing delete apps and remove from home screen and cancel. If you want to uninstall, then you should just tap delete apps. And if you want to like remove the from home screen, but you can just tap here. But now I need to just delete apps, so I just tap here delete apps. All right, so just tap here and again need to confirmation. So I just delete. Yeah, it's finished. So that's it, and you can do it like this. And let me know if you have any problem. I'll try to replace as soon as possible. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.